In this video, we're going to go over how to convert fractions to decimals. So if I were to give you the example 3 over 4, and I told you to convert that to a decimal, how would you do that? Well, 3 over 4 is essentially the same thing as 3 divided by 4. So if you put 3 divided by 4 into your calculator, you'll get your answer. And when you put it in your calculator, your answer is 0.75. So 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75. Now let's try one more problem, and this one's a little tricky, so make sure to stick around. If I were to give you 1 over 3, and I told you to convert that to a fraction, how would you do that? Well, 1 over 3 is the same as 1 divided by 3. And when you put that in your calculator, you're going to get 0.333 repeating. And so we symbolize this as 1 over 3 is equal to 0.3 repeating, and the repeating sign is a line over top of the 3. So that tells the readers that the 3 is repeating. Now, a common mistake is students will put this in their calculator and they'll flip the numerator and denominator. Make sure not to do that. It's always numerator divided by denominator. I hope this video helped. Thank you.